Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy S23 5G cream color 256GB variant. This I had bought in September, Amazon and Flipkart Big Billion Days, and apologies that I'm posting this video now, which is super late, I know, but I have shot the unboxing video at that time. And even best part is the Galaxy S24 series, the USP or the selling point of the Galaxy S24 series were AI features. All those AI features from the Galaxy S24 series are coming to S23. My wife already got all the updates in her Galaxy S23, and she is using all the AI features now from the S24, which came up to S23. So instead of going and purchasing heavy priced S24 series, just go and take S23 and that will fulfill all of your needs. This is a compact flagship, guys, and I had gifted this to my wife because that was the best compact phone out there at that time. S24 was not there at that time, so I had got it for approx 55,000, but now you can go ahead and even get it at much lower price, which is 45,000, plus you can add some exchange with your old phone and you'll get much more discount. So please go ahead, check the deals out on Flipkart and Amazon, and let's get started. Guys, here is the much awaited package of the year for me. So the package is really funny. Let me focus. If you can see this, actually let me show what is the package. If you can see, it says Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation with motion sensor turns on light when you walk in, and this is like a branding of Amazon. I have not ordered Amazon Echo Dot 5, definitely. I already have a Echo Dot 4, which you'll see it soon. So let's open it first. I think there is a Velcro over here. Yeah, this is good actually. So as you can see, paste slam here. They have this new packaging style in the Big Billion Days, or for Amazon, what is it? I think the Great Indian Festival, sorry. So you light up the room. This is the branding they are doing for its new Amazon Echo Dot 5, but let's keep this aside. We are not concerned with that. Let's remove the package. Woo. Let's first check the bill. Actually, the pricing on the bill. What's the pricing? Actually, I got it for something really good amount. I was not sure what is the pricing on the bill. Let me focus. All right, this says Samsung Galaxy S22 5G cream color 8GB 256GB variant. This is a 256GB variant, and it shows 74,999. As you can see, the final pricing is 74,999, so 75k. But I actually got it for, guess what, 55k, guys. So I got 5k Amazon voucher, 10k exchange on my Samsung Galaxy A50, the older generation phone, and 10,000 SBI card discount. So overall it came down from 80, actually it was written 75 something, it was ideally 80, so that 5,000 voucher adds up to 75, and then 10,000 more, so it came up to 55. So I got this device for 55k. And as you can see, this is how the box looks like. This is the Galaxy S23, guys, the base variant, not the Plus or Ultra. This is the compact, super powerful flagship phone. Let's see the box. It says net quantity 1 unit. MRP, don't go at MRP, it's 95,999, I think. Contents, you have a cable, manual, mobile phone, SIM ejector pin. Very clean and simple. Small box, flagship unboxing, guys. And here it says the version number SM something, and then cream color, and 256GB ROM and 8GB RAM. So let's do the unboxing, guys. I think it has this. Yeah, you can use this. This is good actually. I don't need my scissors or cutters. You just need to peel it off. Yep, from here. All right, and this is the S23. Oh, this is how it looks. Oh, okay, there is a box here actually. Oh, cool. Let's first check this. It should be those routine things. There is the paperwork, warranty and stuff. It's a cable. Let's see what cable it is. Type C to Type C cable. And this is, guys, this S23 variant is 256 GB, so it supports UFS 4.0 storage. So it's like super fast storage speed, super fast transfer speeds if you want to copy files and all, with respect to that. And SIM ejector tool as usual, and some more paperwork and stuff. That's it in this. Let's keep this aside. And what is here? All right, nothing else. So this is the phone, guys. As you can see, they have this thing, cardboard. Whoa, let me actually focus a bit. You can see it's a matte finish cream, and there are glossy rings on it for the camera cutouts, and the side rails are glossy. Let's open the screen. And here it is. It's a compact flagship, guys. As you can see, it is one-handed phone. Definitely, I can easily hold it in my one hand. This I actually bought it for my wife. I hope she'll like it. And this, let's see what all are there. These are the 5G antennas, secondary noise cancellation microphone, power on off button, volume rocker. Then you have SIM ejector is here. It's a dual SIM phone, guys. No expandable. Type C. And this side you have nothing. And the back you have 3 cameras. Let me remove this also. I'll remove this and I'll put it. Let me put it safely. I'll put it on the box actually. Generally do this so that it never goes off. So no case, no cover, or no screen protector, no charger. So for that, actually, guys, I have to buy the adapter. At least they gave the cable, so I bought the adapter. This phone supports 25 watt fast charging, not as such fast, but it supports 25 watt. It is claimed to have 50% in 30 minutes. So this is how phone looks like. It's super light, guys. It's super light. It's, I think, 169 grams phone, which is very light. Definitely one-handed. And I've also ordered a cover to that. It's a Pigeon rugged armor case. So that I'll be doing it in a separate video. So stay tuned on my channel and hit the subscribe button. And that's it for this video, guys. It has oh, I forgot actually. It has a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner under display. The camera, oh, I totally missed it, sorry. The camera is a 12 megapixel front shooter, I believe, and 3 camera setup. Main camera is 50, ultra wide 12, and I think 10 megapixel, yeah, 10 megapixel telephoto, 3x telephoto. There is that zoom camera, guys, so 30x zoom you get. So that is what we get in this phone. And as I said, guys, it's not 80,000 phone. It is, I got it for 55,000, which was a really great deal. So do check out other deals on this. If you can get one, then great. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in next video. This was a quick pure unboxing video. I'll just turn it on actually. Let's see if it turns on. It should have some battery. Alright, it has some battery. Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox. So guys, that's it for this video. So guys, here is the phone. I booted it up, and as you can see, it's already downloading so many things and stuff. And pre-built, there are Samsung apps. Let me focus 1 minute. There are Samsung apps, all this as usual, and there are some Google apps. basic Google apps are there. Microsoft apps are also there, Office, Drive, LinkedIn, Outlook. And then you have some bloatware like Spotify, Netflix. Spotify I generally don't prefer. Netflix, yes, we do need it, so I'll keep it. And you have YouTube Music. Here you have Samsung Notes, Game Launcher, Members, all Samsung stuff, not much bloatware. Now let's go to the settings and let's see. I haven't logged in, guys, into all the details like the account and all, because my wife will configure it later. So as you can see, product S23, these are the versions, and software update. Maybe we can just check if I have a software update. Alright, it's connecting to server. It will auto detect actually, and it will check software information. Let's check the software information. And Android version 13, One UI version 5.1. Oh, awesome, we already have a software update. And what is the size of this? I'm curious. It's 2 GB, guys. 2 GB software update. It's called a security patch level 1 for September. So great, we already have a software update. So this I'll update it. Out of the box percentage was, I think, 40%, and everything is installing. So nice. This is, as I said again, so compact phone. Let's go to the cameras if you want to see the cameras. All right, turn on location and all. That's okay. So maybe let's see this one. You can see. Here actually it's very difficult to showcase every bit of it, because as you can see, I'm already recording from a camera and doing another camera in camera, so there are some shutter lags and all. But in day-to-day speeds, as usual, if I open it without recording it, it's very smooth, and already it's downloading so many stuffs. So definitely it will take some time to stabilize, and I'll install all apps, and then we'll be using it for some time. And if possible, definitely I'll try to get a good review video summed up from my wife. So stay tuned on my channel, and that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a short unboxing experience, guys, and as I said in the intro part, it makes much better decision to buy S23 series instead of S24 at this point of time currently, because there are not much differences, and all the major software features from S24 are coming to S23. So please go ahead, make your decision accordingly. You have money, then definitely you can go ahead for S24 series. S24 Ultra is the best phone out there in the market, and you can also check out, if you want a compact flagship, then S23 is the go-to device. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe, and share it with as many people as you can. This will help me out in making multiple such videos to reach out to you. And thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned. I'll be back in next video. Take care, guys.